Hey everyone, it's Rachit and I'm back with another review video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any new video or tutorial update. Today I am super excited to try out Amazon Reecho Hair Extensions that were gifted to me directly by Reecho for a genuine review. I really appreciate Reecho because they have sent me different kind of 3-4 hair extensions. So before trying them out, let me show you what all they have sent it to me and how amazing are these. So let's see. First, let's talk about the packaging. It's really nice and well organized. Inside the pack, you will also get an instruction guide, which is super helpful if you're using hair extensions for the first time. And see, just a small comb and elastic hairband. It also has these small piece of 4-5 bobby pins. This extension is a kind of ponytail extension with clutcher attached. It seems very easy to apply on your hairs. These extensions come in a protective hairnet to keep them safe and avoid to get messy. These are synthetic clip-on 22-inch hair extensions. It has black, brown, some golden highlighted shade of hairs. And I really love the packaging. Now let's try them out. These extensions are also available on Amazon. These are really super affordable. I think it could be just $10 or $12. I'll share the link in the description box so you go and check them out. This is pretty nice. Let me just quickly take out this net apart. Okay, there you go. Oh, this is nice. See, this extensions club comes with the hair clip. I think that I can style this with as a ponytail. I think let's try this first, though the colors are not matching to my hairs, but I want to try this. Let me make a pony first. Wow, this is looking so amazing. I can also curl my hair so that this gets merged into the extensions. For now it's not curled, but still this is looking damn amazing. Wow. Just let me show you from the back. Isn't it looking nice? Yeah, I know. Wow. So cool. I love it. Okay, let's try the another one. I have this clip-on extensions as well. See, I love this, it comes with net so that the hairs, will be safe and secure. Doesn't get tacky or tangled. This definitely won't slip off. The quality of these clips are really amazing. I'll show you at the back. See, this gets easily stuck. Wow, this is looking nice. Oh my god, see? So heavy. My hair looks so heavy. Oh my god, it is like my dream come true. Oh, and I have very thin hair, so I've been always wanting to have a high volume hair. How well it matches my natural hair. These are friends, these are synthetic extensions, really soft and lightweight, heat friendly, so you can style them as you need. You can state them, you can curl them as per your requirement. You have to ensure that your temperature of the tool should not be beyond 225 or 275 degree, not more than that. There are tons of colors and styles available. So you can choose your perfect hair color match according to your hair size, hair color. They have multiple sizes, multiple styles, so you can choose according to your hair color or your requirement. Overall, these Reecho hair extensions are phenomenal, friends. They are super affordable, easy to use, blends beautifully with your natural hair. If you're looking for a budget-friendly extensions, then definitely I 100% recommending these extensions. The link to buy is in the description box below, so go and check it out. Let me know in the comments what do you think about these extensions, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel for more beauty reviews. See you in the next video. Ta-da!